Drosera দেওয়ার ব্যাপারে you should be, before using Drosera, you should be very careful. There is family history and past history of Drosera, tuberculosis or predominant tuberculosis diathesis. You should be very careful. I have told you previously, Carbobase is the greatest anti-tubercular medicine. So be careful from Drosera prescription. Now I am telling in English. This is the most important part. Everybody should know, in real homeopathy, no patient is treated considering his present signs and symptoms. But every patient is treated for his present problem, for his or her present problem, but not considering sign and symptoms of this patient, present sign and symptom. Again, I am telling, in real homeopathy, is and every patient is treated for present complaint, but not treated with sign, not considering with present sign and symptoms of the patient. Are you getting my point or not? Real homeopathy treat the patient or the present situation, but not considering present signs and symptoms. What I have written in the introduction, I have given you. I think so. You have, all of you, see that very chapter, introduction of 5 pages. You please read the chapter many times. Otherwise, you will not understand what I am to do, what I want to say you. Then again, what? Now we treat the present situation without considering present signs and symptoms and pathological report, not with present mental and physical symptoms, not considering uncommon peculiar symptom, not considering desire aversion, not considering modalities, nothing. So, after giving medicine, strictly principle of real homeopathy, you should ask the question in every cases, in all cases, that now what is your condition? It is worse compared to previous time, that is before 24 hours you are in miserable condition, I know. Now also you are in miserable condition, but will you please tell me which one is worse? The previous is worse or present situation is worse? Please don't ask regarding the individual symptom. Previously you have no stool, today what it is? Don't like this silly question. You had no idea, you had no appetite, is what it is. You should not ask any type of symptomatic question, as because you have not given medicine for this individual symptom. Those who are given more than one medicine at a time, they must ask. But you have given one medicine considering history of present complaint, past history, family history, and philosophy of early life. So you should not ask regarding any symptomatic question. You please mind it. Otherwise, patient and patient party will make you force to change the medicine. Please don't do this. You have to ask only one question. Okay, I know very well the patient is so and so problem, but you have to tell before 24 hours the feeling was worse. Now also the feeling is worse. But what is the difference? Which one is worse? Yesterday or today? That time you will understand the medicine is correct and you should continue it. But I know very well you are doing all this wrong thing. I am very much sure. Nobody has correct idea. You are doing all these things and changing medicine and failure. One thing is there, no? Failure is the pillar of success. Okay, let's go with failure. One time we will be beaten by the general people, and that time we will understand what should we do and what should not do. I think I am very much sure you have no idea regarding question, and you do not know you do not know to ask how to ask the question. Then you have no right to practice real homeopathy. Better to do that classical homeopathy. See from books the symptom, see from rubrics, from repertory, and give medicine. No problem. No risk. You do all these things as because you never read seriously. You have to read day and night without forgetting your family members, without forgetting your sleep, without forgetting your appetite. But you are doing everything, forgetting studying real homeopathy. I know very well. Nobody is out of this track. You are do everything like this. Please do one thing. I have asked so many senior students, they also doing this type of wrong.
Okay.
You should not. Nobody is study seriously. I know very well. So change yourself. Otherwise, forget myself. You forget me. You do other thing. No problem. But if you want to do real homeopathy, you must read seriously. Forgetting your family, forgetting your life, forgetting your comfortable life. If you do, then you come to me. Otherwise, forget me. Do other thing. So many rupee you can earn in your life with all these things. Number 2 item. But here, money is not so much, but there is satisfaction. Everybody will salute you even after your death. If you want to be saluted, then you must read it seriously, forgetting everything, your family, your life, your comfortable, even sometimes your practice. Every day you try to see only 1 or 2 patients new. If you want to earn more money, then go to other way. Here no chance. Only 1 patient, only 1 or 2 new patients you can practice according to real homeopathy. Now also at present day, if more than 1 patient want the time, the appointment, I feel very afraid of that. 1 patient is very comfortable for me, as because minimum 3 hours is needed and also a laborious job. I feel very tired after taking 1 case. And you are taking lots of case. You are so big physician. So I salute you. But general people should not salute you. I salute you that you are earning so much money. And that money is from sin. That money is from sin. Mind it. You are cheating general people. You are cheating the ignorant people. That money is not correct money. This is black money. And you have to pay this to the Almighty. Mind it. If you see more than 2 patients, new patients, no? It is a sinful job. And that money is black money. Mind it from today. You should be very honest with real homeopathy. And what the Almighty has given, after lots of labor, He has given to me all these things. After lots of labor. Okay, anything more? They are very much casual.
I have a question.
Real homeopathy is serious thing.
Chat.
Please see that chat.
Yes, what?
I have given a question in the chat. If you can answer me, sir. I'm calling from Abu Dhabi.
Which one?
Abu Dhabi. From Abu Dhabi.
From Abu Dhabi.
Khan. Yes.
Manjur Khan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am seeing your question. Okay.
Yes. Is it very interesting? Actually, I want to see your philosophy on that. How we should see. We should not fight, and we have to find out that how we are going to tackle the thing, because we are inventing. So, what will be our whole worldwide generation after the pandemic is over?
Okay. I am seeing very seriously how you see the present lockdown situation worldwide. Each and individual person are in panic. It means they are all under trauma. What will be the consequences? Under which category? We will consider this case in future. Appreciate your comments, Manjur Khan. Thanks, Mr. Khan, Dr. Khan. Very good question. Yes, see, if that type of panic created patient, if you give, yes, it is one kind of trauma. And if you give carbamazepine, within 2 or 3 days, the patient must tell you, okay, doctor, I am not afraid of trauma, COVID. Now you can give me anything. No, afraid of trauma, now I can sleep well. Now I can sleep well. That time you may continue, may not continue the medicine. But really it is a trauma, one kind of trauma. And when it is, in which cases the trauma is there, the panic is there, one thing you should know, those persons are having weak immunity, weak vitality. Only those persons are afraid of that COVID. And if you prescribe correct medicine, and with that, if the immunity and vitality is okay, then no fear, no panic, nothing is there. But one thing, those baby now in mother's womb, and and mother is in panic that baby will be here with trauma, mental trauma. That is why I have told you that each and every baby should be given Carbobase 200 immediately after birth. Immediately after birth. If there is no problem, again, you should give Carbobase. If there is problem, you give Carbobase 200. No fruitful result, then you give Hydrofobinum 200. Okay, my boy. Every wrong word I have used. So, that is why I have used all this wrong word to alert you what type of labor you have to give for real homeopathy if you want to be saluted even after your death. That is why I have used all these strong words. I know very well. It is also painful for you. But I am also feeling pain as you are not serious with this real homeopathy. Okay? If there is no question, actually today I was prepared with philosophy of early life, of different true diseases and different medicines, and also different type of patient or not patient or a healthy individual, relatively healthy individual. I was prepared with that. So next time I must be with you with that very chapter, the philosophy of early life.